Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping built-in location and obvious telemetry. First, open privacy settings and switch location services off, then deny location to each app that requests it. Once done, disable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi adapters you don't need. Airplane mode is a quick cut. Create or switch to a local admin account so syncing and cloud tracking don't reactivate. Make sure to keep one admin user for changes, but use a limited account for normal work to reduce background reporting. Next, reduce telemetry and network leakage so your laptop stops phoning home. In system diagnostics, set data collection to the minimum or off, turn off diagnostic and usage reporting. Edit your host's file or local DNS to resolve known tracking domains to 127.0.0.1 and use a reputable local firewall to block outbound connections for apps and services that should not access the internet. Once configured, restart the system and verify outbound blocks with a network monitor to confirm no unexpected connections remain. Finally, harden endpoints and verify your changes. In every browser, disable third-party cookies, enable tracker blockers, and use private mode or a hardened profile. Route traffic via a trusted VPN to mask your IP and run leak tests to confirm DNS and WebRTC are covered. If you still see tracking, audit startup apps, scheduled tasks, and installed services for hidden telemetry. If an unknown persistent agent survives, backup data. Wipe and reinstall the OS as the last resort, then reapply the same controls immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.